What's the meaning of chuck steak? Chuck steak. Chuck steak.
Chuck steak. Chuck steak. Chuck steak refers to a cut of beef that comes from the shoulder region of the animal and is known for its rich, beefy flavor. It is a relatively economical cut of meat compared to other cuts like ribeye or filet mignon. While chuck steak can be tough if not cooked properly, it can also be quite tender and flavorful when cooked low and slow. It is commonly used for stews, roasts, and ground beef. Overall, chuck steak is a flavorful and budget-friendly choice for beef lovers.